Hello, friends. Today, we're soaring into the fascinating world of drones. Those incredible flying machines that are transforming how we see and interact with the world. From breathtaking aerial photography to speedy deliveries, drones are more than just gadgets. They're a mix of innovation, adventure, and technology taking flight. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny, pocket-friendly models to larger professional drones used in filmmaking or industrial applications. What makes them truly remarkable is their ability to give us perspectives that were once impossible. Imagine capturing sweeping landscapes, cinematic shots, or inspecting rooftops and bridges without leaving the ground. The sky is... Most consumer drones are equipped with advanced cameras, stabilization technology, and smart features like follow-me modes, obstacle avoidance, and GPS navigation. This means you can focus on creativity while the drone handles the tricky bits of flight. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, drones make aerial photography and videography accessible and exciting. But drones aren't just for fun and creativity, they're also practical. They're used in agriculture to monitor crops, in construction to survey sites, and in search and rescue missions to reach places humans can't easily access. Some drones even deliver packages, medicines, or emergency supplies, showing how technology can change everyday life in ways we never imagined. Piloting a drone also opens up a whole new kind of experience. You get the thrill of flying combined with precision control, often via smartphones, remote controllers, or even gesture-based systems. Many drones feature intelligent flight modes, letting them track moving objects, circle around points of interest, or automatically return home if the battery runs low, making flying safe and stress-free. Battery life and portability are key too. Most drones come with rechargeable batteries that allow for several minutes of flight, and extra batteries can keep your aerial adventures going longer. Compact, foldable designs make it easy to take drones on trips, hikes, or outdoor shoots. And of course, style and design matter. Modern drones are sleek, aerodynamic, and often customizable with different accessories, from extra propellers to gimbals and lens attachments.